Today, we're gonna have another review, and this is the Skin Make for Everyone Take 2. Hi guys! Today we're gonna... Hi! Appear! Hindi mo na tayo. Laki na mata ko, diba? Pasinsihan mo. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have another review, and this is the Skin Mate Forever Young Shark Oil with glutathione, kojic acid, and natural plant extract. Okay, they actually have two products na ganito. The first one is yung basic shark oil lang, and this is the second one. This is a shark oil with glutathione, kojic acid, and natural plain extract. The price difference nila is yung shark oil lang will cost you 99 pesos, and this is 109 pesos. I bought this one in Watson's. Nakitaan ko to sa Mercury at saka sa Watson's lang. Wala pa ako nakikita sa kanya sa Save More or any leading department store. Baka ngayon meron na, you might want to check it out. So, this is 10 ml of the product that will cost you 109 pesos. Basically, ito yung binili ko kasi I think yung sinabi niya sa box will truly help me kasi nagkaroon ako ng discoloration and all that bad stuff during the 4 months time na nawala ako dito. So, naghahanap talaga ako ng ng magandang produkto for my skin. And yun. So, ito siya. This is the packaging. Yun. I will have a different vlog review regarding this. I will put the written blog in the description box for you to check it out, kasi doon makikita nyo yung full box and full yung mga written, makikita nyo lahat doon, and all the lahat naman ng sasabihin ko dito will be there also, but yung full box makikita nyo doon. So basically, you can go there, just click the link down in the description box and it will go directly to my blogspot. Anyway, so it states here that this one hydrates instantly to soften skin and help lessen the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making skin beautifully healthy, perfectly white, and forever young looking. Shark oil Forever Young can be easily applied on the skin with a minimal amount, making it very economical but still very effective. With Skin Make Shark Oil Forever Young, even if your age grows old, your skin doesn't. You know, sabi sa kanya. And again, yun nga, yung mga contains nito, in case may allergy kayo, you might want to read that in my blogspot para maiwasan nyo siyang gamitin in case yung mga ingredients niya or contains niya, meron kayong allergy. So, go ahead and read that out. Pero, eto siya. Pag binuksan nyo to, lalabas ito. Okay? Again, this is 10 ml of the product. This is a tube type and a roller applicator. Ito yung applicator niya. Yan. So, my basic application with this is that, again, before I go on further, ginagamit ko to guys as a night routine ko. Siya yung basically ang moisturizer ko siya tuwing gabi before I go to sleep. Yung aking application nito is, I start with my cheeks. So, gumagawa ako ng triangle shape, ganyan. And then, I roll it all over my face. I include my eye bag area or my under eye area, including this, kasi sabi niya, it's anti-aging and anti-wrinkles all at the same time. So, ganun ang ginagawa ko. And then, one layer sa forehead, then I spread it all over, and then sa nose. Including the neck. Don't forget the neck, same amount din. Now, let's continue on with the pros and the cons. Let's talk about the cons first. Ang problema ko dito, it doesn't state here that it's intended for morning routine, and wala rin siya sinabi na pang night siya, pero wala rin siya sinabi na pang morning siya. Kaya ako siya ginagamit ng gabi because it doesn't state here that it has SPF na that will protect me in UVA and UVB or parang sunscreen. Wala siyang ganon. So, natatakot akong gamitin sa umaga kasi baka magkaroon ng reaction sa face ko. Second one is, ang problema, dito sa rolling type na to, etong applicator niya, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Nagli-leak siya. Ayan, patulo na. So, ang best advice ko, not to put it like this. Okay? Make sure na nakatayo siya or hindi rin nakaganito. Kasi, yun lang. Yun, nagli-leak siya eh. Nagli-leak siya. So, yun ang isa pa sa naging problema ko sa kanya. And now, let's continue on with the pros. Okay, guys. humawa kayo. Kasi I super love ko tong produktong to as in. Except for the cons, yun lang yung ayaw ko sa kanya. Pero I love this product. Again guys, as I told you earlier, I use this sa gabi. So pag ginagamit ko siya sa gabi, when I wake up in the morning, I spread it all over my face, diba? And my neck. When I wake up in the morning, ang skin ko, ang ganda-ganda. Sobra. Ang ganda niya, ang smooth niya, ang puti niya, brighter skin. Umaga pa lang to ha, makikita niyo na yung difference. And, basta ang ganda niya sa umaga, it's a little, magkakaroon kayo ng, kung oily kayo, well, sa akin ha, ganito yung effect niya. Dahil oily ako, I tend to have a dewy effect sa kanya, na magandang dewy type ha. Hindi yung parang diluntay ka ng oil na buka. So, hindi ganon. Ang ganda-ganda niya. It's brighter, smoother. Good stuff, good stuff. Good product. And, the second one I love about this is that, as I told you guys, I really have a sensitive skin. Now, if you have a sensitive skin, guys, ako, ang epekto sa akin ng produkto is that I have a rendition time. Ibig sabihin, pag nagpapalit ako ng routine, nagpapalit ako ng facial wash, nagpapalit ako ng toner, nagpapalit ako ng moisturizer, the tendency is that I will have a 1 week or 2 weeks time na rendition. Ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon ako ng mga allergies, nagkakaroon ako ng mga butlik-butlik sa mukha. Ganon. Nagkakaroon ako ng ganon. But with this product, it doesn't do that to me. Wala akong naging rendition time sa kanya. Automatic na binibigay niya na sa akin yung brighter skin. Ganon. Ganon kaagad. So, I really love it. It's whitening, yes. It's whitening. Wrinkles, it will help you with that also, especially yung mga dito. Kaya, I tend to use it in my under eye also. I already have visible wrinkles there. So, I put that there. It really helped me with that also. So, sa gabi, hindi na ako nag-eye cream. Siya na lang yung ginagamit ko sa gabi. And, yun. So, unti-unti, natutulungan niya ako doon. Another pros is that it states here, it's an oil-based product, no? Shark oil nga eh. So, oil-based siya. But, it doesn't give you that oily feeling eh. So, love it. I love it. I love it. I love the product. Pero sana, SkinMate, if you can make this with sunscreen para magamit sa umaga, diba? So, please, SkinMate, can you make one? And another one, maganda siya kasi parang, ang epekto niya sa skin niyo, parang kutis artista. Yung parang, pag nag-facial wash kayo, parang glowing, makintab, tapos parang rosy-rosy, ganun yung effect niya. Ang ganda-ganda. I super love the product. I would totally suggest you guys to try it out. It's very inexpensive kasi 109 lang to, and a little goes a long way with this. And also, nakapagbasa na ako at nanood ako ng mga reviews nito regarding dun sa mga taong pimple prone, acne prone din na skin. And it truly helped them also, na parang nawala yung pimples nila, yung mga dark peklat na naiiwan ng pimples, nawawala din. So, yung link mismo ng video na napanooran ko ng review niya regarding this for those who have pimple marks, go directly there para you can visit. Kasi hindi ako pimple prone skin eh. So, it might help you, she might help you in, you know, reviewing this for those who have acne or pimple prone skin. So, go ahead and check her out also. And, yun lang. I'll give this a 9.5 guys. Super taas. As in, super taas. I love the product. It really helped me a lot. And I'm sure about this that it will help you also. So go ahead and try it out. 2 months ko na itong ginagamit pero marami pa rin siyang laman. So a little goes a long way with this product. And yeah, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. And also do not forget to follow me around in my everyday vlog. I will link my YouTube channel for my everyday life in the description box. Also my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter will be in the description box. And kung di pa kayo nagsisubscribe, hit the subscribe button and be part of my family videos. And that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye! See you again. Bye-bye!